Namaste friends, this is my aquarium having 2 red caps, 3 rainbow sharks and 2 gouramis. It is 1.5 years old, having a 25-watt air pump, 25-watt air pump with a big internal filter in it. The water capacity of my aquarium is 250 liters. If you are an aquarium lover, at first minded that red caps of goldfish and gouramis need more than 150 liter capacity tank for a lively atmosphere. Rainbow sharks need 180 liter capacity tank for a beautiful and better lifespan. If you have 200 liter tank, then 20-watt air pump with a filter is necessary. Don't put a lot of fish in your aquarium which is harmful for them. I am giving you 10 tips for your fish to be healthy. Give proper place to your fish. Always buy a big aquarium, not bowl or some 20 liter or 30 liter or 50 liter aquarium, because they have not enough place. So tip number 1, give proper place to your fish, which is very necessary for them. Tip number 2, water should be clear, chlorine free. You can pour normal tap water or pump water in your aquarium. Tip number 3, filtration should be 100% working. See the filter. The filter is very necessary in your aquarium because all the wastages are absorbed by the filter. Use air pump properly. See my air pump, it is 25-watt air pump. See the surface of the water. See the surface of the water. Look at the fish. They come close to me. As I come close to them, they come close to me. This is the relation between the pet and the man who loves pet. See my red caps. See the gouramis. Look at the rainbow shark. It is taking rest. Tip number 5. Give 2 to 3 times proper food. Mind it, don't give them enough food because they have no such idea about how much they have to eat. Otherwise, red caps or goldfish will eat maximum and be the victim of swim bladder problem. Next video I will discuss what is swim bladder problem. If you give them optimum pellets, then 6 for each is enough. So if you have 7 fish, which I have, you can give them 7 into 6, that is 42 pellets. Tip number 6. Keep 1 to 10 fish in a 200 liter aquarium. Mind it, your fish should not be more than 10 inches in size. Tip number 7, never change water and clear the filter in a same day. That means you should not clean your filter and change the water in a same day or in a same time, because cleaning the filter and changing the water in a same time will destroy the beneficial bacteria that are in your aquarium. The beneficial bacteria are very necessary for your fish. Minimum interval of changing the water and cleaning the filter is 10 days. Tip number 8, don't change the full water at a time. Change 70% water after 2 months if the water is polluted. Tip number 9, if the fish not play well, test the ammonia of your water. Tip number 10, use aquarium light only for 10 hours of the day. Air pump must work for 24 hours because the air pump is the source of oxygen supply in your aquarium. See my air pump. See the little bubbles in the aquarium. See the little bubbles. These little bubbles are the source of the oxygen. These little bubbles create the oxygen. Thank you. See, my rainbow shark is taking rest. Thanks to all of you. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय.